going to be learning how animals move. Animals don't just walk everywhere. Animals have different ways they move. All right, so today we're going to be learning how animals move. If you notice all the different animals, let's figure out what the animals are. We see a fish, we see a snake, we see a butterfly. It looks like a rabbit and a baby. It looks like a lamb, a baby sheep. So these are different animals. Animals move in a different ways. They move in different ways because they need to wait. Like a fish can swim. All right, fish can swim. Can they walk? No. What's the point of walking in the water? They need to learn how to swim. They need to swim in order to survive. This animal right here can walk or run, just like us. But that if they were swimming in the open air, it wouldn't work. So they walk or run. That's how they do it. Same with a rabbit. A bunny, uh, walks and runs too, but they hop. They hop to different places. They move in a different way. A snake crawls. I always say slithers, but yeah, a snake crawls around to get everywhere. It doesn't swim, has no legs, so it crawls everywhere. It moves its way, slithers its way through everything, which scares me. And then there's some animals that fly. They don't have legs. Well, they might have legs, insects, but they fly to get to one place to another place. Animals have different ways to move. Which animal hops? Very good, a bunny. Which animal swims? Nice job. Fish, sharks, whales, dolphins are all different animals that swim. Which animal walks and runs? Think about a different animal that walks and runs. All right, boys and girls, I want you to just draw somewhere or tell somebody what animal, other than these animals on this paper, what other animal flies? Can you tell me 3 animals that fly? Ooh, let's see if you can tell somebody. Draw it, write it, draw 3 animals, or tell somebody 3 animals that can fly. Ooh, let's see if you can do that. All right, boys and girls, we are learning how animals can move. All right, tomorrow you're going to be learning a lot more how animals can move with this fun story on Mayan. Well, think about it. I want you to go out into your front yard and backyard and see how animals move. The next, after this, I'm going to show you some pictures that I've taken while cleaning out my front yard. And you are able to see how animals move. Some crawl just like the snake has tiny little legs. Some slither just like the snake. Some have legs and walk and hop places. So you're going to see those different animals attached to this little video. All right, great job, guys. Boys and girls, this is called a millipede. Millipedes live in the dirt under leaves. While I was raking the leaves, I saw tons of these. These were curled up because that's how they protect themselves. When they feel threatened, they curl up and they look dead almost. But as soon as you let them be, they start crawling around trying to dig into the dirt like an earthworm. I thought they were the coolest things. They are very harmless that I know of. But look at the tiny legs. How do you think they move? Yeah, they crawl. Watch it as it crawls through the dirt. And boys and girls, this right here are crickets or grasshoppers. I was trying to figure out what they are called. They're very similar, but these are everywhere now. Have you seen them? I've seen them everywhere. I think there's 5 of them that I found. Every time I'm outside, I find them. Tucker cares less about them, but if you get near, they hop somewhere, but they walk. How cool is that? Right here, it's an earthworm. Look how quick it's moving. Well, I speed it up. But this one crawls, slithers around, and also Tucker was about to get it. It goes into the dirt to find a home. Watch as it digs into the dirt. And this one, well, he runs and walks.